Some of Montana's prized big game animals are hunted on the eastern front of the Rocky Mountains near Glacier National Park. On the Theodore Roosevelt Memorial Ranch, Montana Fish, Wildlife, and Park officials are collecting information on hunted animals to determine how many can be killed next year. Studying the dead animals also tells wildlife biologists information on the animals' habits and population changes.
It's necessary to have the basic information on where the elk go during different seasons of the year, how hunting seasons affect them, but there's many other spin-offs.
After a recent decline in the elk population in north central Montana, Fish, Wildlife, and Park researchers placed these radio collars on elk. They wanted to find out where Montana's elk were going and why their numbers were falling. After wildlife officials tranquilize and collar an elk, they monitor and track it until hunters kill it or it dies of other causes. This research gives wildlife biologist Gary Olson important information.
Basically, what we've done is to define their winter ranges and their summer ranges. And the most pronounced thing that we're seeing at this point is that these animals are traveling three different directions. Some are going to the Bob Marshall Wilderness, which is about 30 miles west of the ranch, and spending their summer. Some have left the what we would call this ecosystem altogether, and they've gone into the Sun River area, which is about 45 miles south. Some have not returned here for the winter. Others have gone as far north as Glacier National Park, which is about 35 airline miles.
Olson tracks his elk with a radio receiver from the air, ground, and on foot. Officials say better hunting conditions and better hunters meant more dead bull elk last year.
Basically, there's fewer bulls in this herd because hunters are taking more of them. The type of hunting seasons we have had have allowed them to do that. By using the radio transmitters and doing the work following these animals around during different seasons, we now know that they can't stand that kind of hunting pressure. They're more vulnerable than we previously thought.
The research is designed to promote responsible hunting practices and build a strong elk population for generations to come. In north central Montana, Dave Cyrack reporting.